So we got to the start of Pumpkin Hollow Road, just down the trail, you know, covered in ice, and one of the truck's four-wheel drive decided just now to pack up and quit. So we got aired down, just like the last big trip, 5 minutes into the trail, and there's problems. Unfortunately, this one wasn't as easy to fix as the belt and the skid plate on my truck last time, so we just aired back up. We're going to take his truck to the campsite and then try to squeeze as much trail riding as we can today. We'll try to come back up, at least go up Spa Creek, and maybe we'll try to come back down Pumpkin Hollow. But if there's that much ice the whole trail, it might be tough because it's just sheets in places.